Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Tyler May, and this is Outlier Bow Hunting. For today, I'm out here pretty early at the range. I want to get my shots in before we completely tear this range down and put in all brand new targets, as well as extend the range out to 80 yards from its current state of 60. 4 years ago, when I was last here on Camp Pendleton, this range looked pretty well. The targets were pretty good, in pretty good shape. But about 8 to 9 months ago, when I got back from other places, I would come out here and shoot these targets, and they're 12-inch thick targets, and my arrows were going straight through them into the trees back behind. I was losing arrows. Their targets have fallen over. They've become unbanded. The shape of this range has fallen apart. Many people, as well as myself, have kind of been pushing on the Sportsman's Club and been to some meetings trying to get new targets, and finally we have new targets. I'm super excited for them. We're going to completely redo this range today and extend it out, and I'm going to get some shooting in before we do that. Something else I am testing out, some boning Atlas vanes, and I have 2 of them fletched up, and I'm going to be shooting them over a couple weeks, seeing how I like them over the boning blazers, which is my current setup. And these might be changing my mind for 2026. Always messing around with stuff. What can I do better? How can I chase perfection? But that will be a different video, and today is going to be focused on rebuilding this range and giving it a complete makeover. Hope y'all enjoy. Let's get to it. Okay, huge shout out to the Pendleton Sportsman's Club here on Camp Pendleton. A lot of people are complaining about the state of the targets and the range, including myself, and they fixed it. And I take some pride in being able to be out here and help them fix it and work on it and get it back in tip-top shape. This is going to be the first group of arrows sent into these targets here at 80 yards. I have 2 circular white stickers down there at 80, and we're going to see if I can hold a group on them. Just a little low. Same thing, just a little low and to the right of it. I'm all around those stickers right now. all around them. And by the way, that was, I believe, the new veins, the Boning Ultras. If so, I really, really like how that flew. Last shot here at 80, new targets, first group into them. There it is. Why couldn't I do that the first 4 times? Let's zoom in on these. So that top center arrow is the one that hit. That is where those 2 stickers were, and they both just went everywhere when my arrow hit. And the other 4 around it, moonlighting that center top arrow, is the entirety of the group at 80 yards. Okay, range is built. Huge shout out and thank you to the Pendleton Sportsman Club. Those targets have been a long time coming. Y'all buckled down and y'all got those targets there, not just for yourselves, but every other person that goes to that range and shoots. That's phenomenal. Thank you guys. 80-yard group, I'd like to close it up a little bit, but hey, I'm always striving to as close as perfection as I can, and that just shows me I need to work harder. Don't have a problem with that at all. Coming up, just a couple things coming up. Here in about 12 hours, I am driving to Oklahoma, myself and my family, 18-hour drive, which I'm gonna make in about 15, and gonna spend some time on the lake with the family, go out on the boats, do some catfishing, jug lines, trot lines, and honestly, we're just gonna have a good time with family. It's long overdue. After that, once we get back from Oklahoma, we're gonna go track the trail cams that I set out for bears. High hopes for that. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and welcome to Outlier Bow Hunting. Have a great day.